Alright, so this is going to be an unboxing video of the DCPS620B. This is DeWalt's 20 volt pole saw. I'm going to be using it to cut some tree branches. And we'll see how this video goes. So this is $149 at the Home Depot.com. Great, I don't have a plate. This was tool only. I have a whole bunch of batteries, so I didn't really need to buy the actual kit. I'll add a link for the Amazon kit. It's like a little mini chainsaw. I also have the DeWalt chainsaw. Okay, so that's what comes out of the box. Nice little safety lock. I guess it assembles pretty easy. Let's see. That's it. Put the battery on and then we'll give it a try. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to try the saw. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that. We can cut this branch right here. Works pretty fast. Cut that branch down in no time. The branch is that big. I'll cut it down into smaller pieces. What I really need to cut are those branches on top right there, and I think it's going to be very easy.